What are some of the things to try if your Google application can't play video on Android? So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So the very first thing is to make sure that your internet connection is working properly or not. If it's working properly, then you may go and try loading the video. And you may also try using your mobile data. If this doesn't fix your problem, then in the next step what you can do is head over to your settings. Head over to apps. Here search for the application Google Chrome. And then move into it. Tap on storage and cache. So here first of all you need to clear the cache of your application Google Chrome. Once you have cleared the cache, tap on manage space. And then tap on clear all data. Click on OK. If this fixes your problem, then you'll be good to go. But if you're still facing the same error, then in the next step what you can do is head over to Play Store. Search for Google Chrome. Head over to it. Here if it shows the update option, then you need to update the application to the latest version. Updating the application to the latest version will definitely fix the problem that you have been facing. So this is it, and these are some of the things to try if your Google Chrome can't play video on Android. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.